In the previous video, we sound deadened and insulated the van. And then we got to work cutting holes ready to fit the maxxair fan. And today, we're going to go from this to this.
Let's go.
We started off by cleaning the floor so the sound deadening had a clean surface to stick to.
I here present Your Majesty the King.
All hail the king!
All hail the King. I don't think I've ever seen anyone do this.
No. There's probably a reason for it, but we'll find out. Bit of foreshadowing, is it?
Dinner break. And we're back.
Oh, that's horrible on them ribs.
I know, why did I follow you? Just checking with the site manager.
Push out, fucking shoot.
Come at me! You just give me out.
Oh, that was a good one. We just went to B&Q and purchased 3 sheets of plywood, 3 sheets of insulation, some baton and our wood flooring. Everything we need to get it done.
Between each piece of baton we're doing 380mm gap, which is the length of the van divided by how many bits of baton we want, so they're all exactly evenly spaced. Which was a bad decision.
Without realising our mistake, we started to cut and fit the baton to the van floor.
10 more to go. Yay. While Bill sorts out the panels, I'll be sorting out the insulation board.
So this here is a bump stop for the sliding door, and if I don't stand on that edge, ready, boop, so now it stops the door from closing. Unless if I stand on it, but the problem is, that's fine, until we put the floor on. We're going to have to come up with a way of getting rid of it.
We decided to remove them all together. It's the next morning. I went out for drinks last night, so I'm feeling a bit delicate today. I'll be assistant manager under Ghost while Bill does the work. I'll be doing something. Coffee. It got cut short yesterday because I needed to go get ready.
Gonna make sure that I'm extra loud today.
That's not fair. Let's crack on with this. Yeah. Let's go.
Yeah.
Break. Right in my shop.
Oh, I didn't see that there. Hello.
Just what I needed. Back to work. We're going to have these spacers on the ends of each baton to make sure they're secure so they don't wobble about and bend. So we're going to cut these in half so we don't use as many and have them as supporting each other.
So we're going to hoover out, put the packers under the ends and then put the plywood on. Let's do this.
It started to rain, so operation get everything back in the van and finish it off tomorrow. Secretly quite happy happy that it's raining so I can go back to bed. So it's the next day. We've already been to B&Q and Wickes. We returned the flooring that we got because it was actually the wrong stuff. Don't know how we did that, but we managed it. We went to Wickes to get new flooring, but they didn't have the flooring we wanted. We got more of this shiny thermal stuff, some more of the shiny tape, and we're gonna finish the other panels that don't have that on. We wasn't gonna do that, but it holds it all in place nicely, so when we put the panels on, it should be dead easy, and it's already insulated. Then we're also gonna cut out where we're gonna put the shower, which we've decided not to have a shower pan. We've decided to do fiberglass instead. First time ever using it, will be fun. Yeah, we're gonna crack on, finish the flooring today, but the weather's still crap because we're in the UK. It's shit. Should we wear goggles?
Nah. See, not on. Thanks, babe.
You know what? When you're deaf, I'm going to call you with everything under the sun.
You do anyway, and I can hear you.
Nice.
These don't fucking work because you've got sawdust in the eyes anyway.
Sorry, it works, you melt. Right, what's the issue?
Right, rookie mistake. Should have known better, but I didn't. What I should have done in hindsight, instead of spacing the battens evenly throughout the whole van, I should have measured the width of our plyboard and put a batten halfway between where the joins are going to be. Because now there's a fixing here on the batten and no fixing until like here for the plywood. Gonna need to run another bit through here to fix my rookie mistake.
While Bill sorts that out, I'm going to cut the opening for the shower pan. We've just created a template for the plywood cutout, and then we're going to trim that, move them along, then cut out the last bit, and then we're good to go. That is accurate, that. Time to screw down the boards. So I have created a template for the right side around all these edges, and then over here on the left side around that edge, and then I'm going to measure the distance between the two and measure this distance, and then we should have our perfect template. Fingers crossed. So I've measured again, and I've measured again. It's been sucks.
It's time to move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my stupid own soul.
Straightest I've ever done with the jigsaw. Right, let's put it in, see if it fits.
And I make mistakes I never made before, but either way I know I made up my mind.
Okay, so it's ever so slightly. So if it's perfectly here, it's just a little bit out here. Take two.
I think I lost the plot.
Oh, I'm having a mare today.
Oh, go, let me just scare you.
Welcome to my humble abode. This is our toilet. Cubicle, the door will be here. Shower pan, toilet. Who with a view? That was my little imagination of what it's going to be like. Dosie's just the site manager. Checking things are going well here. Checking things are going well.